So Usain Bolt's iconic pose is about to become a trademark. Hello, welcome to JMW's Inside Man YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and keep the conversation going in the comments section as well. So it's been all over the media today that Usain Bolt is registering a new trademark. Lucy Marlowe is a senior associate solicitor within JMW's intellectual property department. So Lucy, what is Usain Bolt going to do?
So it's recently hit the press that Usain Bolt's applied for a US trademark for a logo trademark of him doing his iconic lightning bolt pose, which is synonymous with when he used to win his gold medals at the Olympics, and the pose that he pulled, the Bolt pose upon winning gold. It's quite unusual because it's a mark for the logo of a body position. And but actually, although it's hit the press, possibly because it's for a registry, the US, which is a very large registry, Usain Bolt already has a really significant trademark portfolio. So he's got trademark registered all over the world, including Canada, Australia, the UK, Singapore, Switzerland, and the like, all already for his Bolt pose. But this is interesting because he's gone for quite a significant registry, the US, and a lot of the tabloids have picked up on this.
And it reminds me a little bit of Michael Jordan, because that is also sort of an iconic pose, isn't it, as well? If Usain Bolt does this, is this going to be valuable for him if he sells merchandise, that sort of thing?
Exactly. And this is probably sort of part of his strategy, given that he has retired now from athletics. So what Bolt will be looking to do is expand his business ventures. So when you apply for a trademark, you apply for a trademark in relation to specific goods and services. And for example, the goods and services that he has applied for includes clothing, jewelry, shoes, restaurants, sports bars. So clearly, Bolt intends to use this particular logo in respect of these different offerings. And it might be the case that he will enter into licensing arrangements. So perhaps he could agree for a bar, for example, to be able to use his iconic logo in respect of that particular restaurant. That logo is used in respect of shoes, which draws us back to the example that you used, Dominic, of what Michael Jordan used in respect of the trainers.
And I know not every business will necessarily want to protect a trademark of a pose, but businesses will have trademarks that they want to protect. So how can you and the team help?
Yeah, so we regularly advise businesses on securing their rights and the trademark strategy that's around that. For example, Usain Bolt has over 156 applications. So he has a clear trademark registration strategy. And likewise, with this unusual type of trademark where it's of a body image registered in black and white, which means that it can also be used in other color forms. Brands in similar things. For example, Toyota have a registered trademark in respect of cars in Australia for someone doing a jump, again in black and white. Pele, the very famous footballer, also has a mark for someone doing a kick, a special football kick. So this is quite an interesting area of development, and this is by keeping on board of these developments to build your brand portfolio. This is something that businesses need to keep on top on, and something that we can assist with.
Lucy, thank you so much for your insight. And if you'd like to speak to Lucy and the team, you can email insideman@jmw.co.uk or call 0161 82 81 999. Please also subscribe to the JMW Inside Man YouTube channel for the latest news, tips and hints. I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man.